Hello everyone, welcome back to TechStam's channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to enable or disable autocorrect on your iPhone's keyboard. First, open the setting apps on your iPhone. Once you're in setting, scroll down and tap on General. Next, select Keyboard. Here you will find several typing options for your device. Look for the auto corrections option. If the switch is green, autocorrect is currently enabled. If you would like to turn it off, simply tap the switch once and it will become disabled. And if you ever want to turn autocorrect back on, just tap the switch again until it turns green. That's it. It only takes a few seconds to change the setting on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.